had too many, but I gotta thank God. I had too many long-ass winners and ate too many cold-ass dinners, but I gotta thank God, cause it made me a grown-ass nigga. If you want me, you can hold that nigga. I got guap. These niggas still broke and so sad. Don't know how to chase a young bag, gotta chase it non-stop. Ever since the day I got stabbed, I've been paper chasing on the app to the day I'm on top. I'm in my bag like school supplies. Your bitch hype cause she fucking with the cooler guys. I can't lie, a couple of niggas losing lives, cause we letting shots off, we ain't using knives. We're hot, so we trafficking in Uber rides. I was moving biscuits, now I'm moving pies. These niggas ain't seen money, I tell them use your eyes. And fuck them niggas, you a op if you ain't choosing sides. All my niggas awaiting trial, so I'm looking in my notebook like I gotta make it now. Remember back in the days I was trying to make a thou. Rihanna when it come to the drama, take a bow. I had too many long-ass winners and ate too many cold-ass dinners, but I gotta thank God, cause it made me a grown-ass nigga. If you want me, you can hold that nigga. I got guap. These niggas still broke and so sad. Don't know how to chase a young bag, gotta chase it non-stop. Ever since the day I got stabbed, I've been paper chasing on the app to the day I'm on top. These are my dope boy diaries. I just finished bagging coke and this little hoe keep buying me. She begging me to stay, but she know that I gotta leave. 10 missed calls later, now she getting up off of her knees. Hit the road, play my music, demons tying me. Grab a Glock, don't wanna use it, but they ain't robbing me. Mama, I know the world is what you want from me, but I'ma have to do some time if these niggas keep trying me, I swear. I'm just a hustler in the making. They ain't never took their mother on vacation. I guess they jealous, used to be the gang, but fuck them if they hating. Tryna grow, they say a motherfucker changing. I came up. I had too many long-ass winners and ate too many cold-ass dinners, but I gotta thank God, cause it made me a grown-ass nigga. If you want me, you can hold that nigga. I got guap. These niggas still broke and so sad. Don't know how to chase a young bag, gotta chase it non-stop. Ever since the day I got stabbed, I've been paper chasing on the app to the day I'm on top. But I gotta thank God.
Dirty.
Smoke cold, he was on the beach, ayy. Tone 2, hit this for the beef, ayy. In a hot tub with 2 freaks, ayy. This is the life I wanna live forever. Don't worry, I be with the guns in the can. We can fuck, but you can't get my government name. Drinking that hate till my stomach get pain. This is the life I wanna live forever. All of y'all nigga know is go and get the dough. I just met a hoe and she come from Mexico. Bet you she love it, I touch it and get it. So classy in public, but she in there getting choked. She give head like a pro, know how to sell it. No gripping this strap, I can't tell if he friend or foe. High school graduation, I didn't get to go. I was in the trap, trapping and selling dope. These nigga watch if they need to go get some soap. Me and 100,000 are identical. Flow is incredible, ring in my necklace go. I done sold every drug except for fentanyl. Niggas still on the corner selling 5 pieces. I'm sipping Corona on these sandy white beaches. Doing all the wrong things for the right reasons. Shorty got a friend, nigga shot me like leeches. Smoke cold, he was on the beach, ayy. Tone 2, hit this for the beef, ayy. In a hot tub with 2 freaks, ayy. This is the life I wanna live forever. Don't worry, I be with the guns in the can. We can fuck, but you can't get my government name. Drinking that hit till my stomach get pain. This is the life I wanna live forever. I be selling dope all night long, and I ain't going home till all the whites gone. Barely got time to write songs, but you know I'm going hard every time the mic's on. You might get killed if the price wrong. I'ma get to the bread once I put my Nikes on. Just took off your white stone, so they want me to fuck her with all my ice on. Serving the gringo, your bitch out of lingo. Just called a plug and I I need Cinco. Ducking the knuckles, I just ate some tacos. Got the connect and his name is El Paco. And he love me cause I pop shit. I ain't sitting on the toilet when I drop shit. Gang with me, turn a bitch to a mosh pit. Can't find a nigga, I'ma get his pop shit. Smoke cold, he was on the beach, ayy. Tone 2, hit this for the beef, ayy. In a hot tub with 2 freaks, ayy. This is the life I wanna live forever. Don't worry, I be with the guns in the can. We can fuck, but you can't get my government name. Drinking and hate till my stomach get pain. This is the life I wanna live forever. This is the life I wanna live forever.